Hello students, welcome back to KV Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramas Ismaria, your physics teacher. Today we are going to start our fourth lesson, that is flotation. Flotation means the ability to flow. The substance which has the ability to flow are called fluids. Liquid and gases can easily flow, so they are together called fluid. Liquid and gases both are very important in our life. Without water and gases, we cannot survive. The liquid and gases easily assume the shape of the container in which they are poured. For example, if the liquid is poured in the jug, it will take the shape of the jug. We can assume that the liquid in the container is in rest, but the particles of the liquid and gases are always in motion, because we know that the particles of the matter are always in constant motion. So in jug also the water particles are in motion. In our body, gases and liquids are continuous in motion. For some time in stomach and gallbladder, the liquid water stay in rest. Now we will discuss about thrust. What is thrust? So the total force exerted normally on a surface is called thrust. As I told, the total force. So thrust is a force which is acting on any surface. So as we know, the unit of force is Newton, so the unit of thrust will be also Newton. For example, let a block of 10 kg is lying on any surface. So the force F is equal to mg, as we know. So mg, and this 10 into value of g 9.8. So it will be 98 Newton. And this force will be the thrust. So the thrust of the block will be 98 Newton. After that, we will discuss about pressure. What is pressure? So the force acting per unit area is called pressure. Force acting per unit area is called pressure. So pressure, we can say P is equal to F upon A, because when we will divide F by A, area, that time will be the unit area. So pressure is the force acting upon a unit area. As you know that force is thrust, so we can say that thrust will be equal to the pressure into area. Because from here F is equal to P into A, and F is the thrust or force. So thrust will be equal to the pressure into area. For example, suppose 10 Newton force is acting on the 2 meter square area. So P is equal to, from here, 10 upon 2. So it will be 5 Newton per meter square. And this will be the pressure acting on 2 meter square area. So the Unit of pressure is Newton per meter square and it is called Pascal. If the weight will be more, the force will be more, and in this case the pressure will be more. From here we can say that pressure is proportional to the force and pressure is inversely proportional to the area. Means if force will be large, that time pressure will be large, and if area will large, the pressure will be less. After that we will discuss about practical applications of pressure. In this case we will discuss something like nails and pins have pointed ends. From the formula we can say that if area is less, P proportional to 1 by A, so the area is less, so the pressure will be more. And if area will be less, and in nails and pins ends are pointed, means area is less, so for the same force pressure will be more and it will be entered easily in any wall or anywhere. After that, building have wide foundation. Wide foundation means area will be more, and the area will be more, then pressure will be less, means, and the pressure will be less, so the building will stay firmly on the ground. If the pressure will more, it will go downside and it will sink in the ground. And after that, railway tracks are laid on large size wooden or iron sleepers. You can see wooden sleepers or any concrete sleepers under the tracks of the railway. Means the weight of the train is uniformly spread on the large sleepers to decrease the pressure, because area will be increased by the sleepers, so the pressure will be decreased and the track will remain firmly on the ground. There are some more applications of the pressure. For example, knife have sharp edge, because sharp edge will have less area and this will be efficient to cut anything as compared to the blunt knife. After that, cannons have caterpillar wheels to increase the area, and by increased area the pressure will be decreased, so cannon can easily go anywhere. So these are the applications of pressures. Today we discussed mainly first pressure and applications of pressure. That's all. Thank you.